So I've come to the realization, right, that I have a really big problem. I am, like, incredibly unhealthy. Like, it's actually insane. See, here's a cup of my pee. Ignore how it looks like a cup of Coke. Yeah, that's good stuff. I want this to be crystal clear. Like, we're talking the waterfalls of Mount Everest. Does Mount Everest have a waterfall? Does Mount Everest have waterfalls?
According to the Wall Street Journal, before him stood the Khumbu Icefall, an obstacle course of towering shards and yawning crevasses that leads to the summit. Scaling this frozen waterfall for the first time would catapult him into the big leagues of Sherpas who ferry wealthy foreigners up the mountain for a living.
Close enough for me. Anyways, I want this to look like the Cum Falls atop of Mount Everest. So God damn it. So in order to make sure that happens, I went ahead and I invented something. Holy.
Put it on my desk and I'll take a look. Maybe we collaborate. Maybe we can have a conversation. Maybe even go out on a date.
Fucking shit, that was loaded. I loaded that. Why didn't I think that was loaded? I accidentally shot my second monitor up here. Oh, god damn it, I accidentally saw it. Oh, god, why am I so stupid? Now, you may be thinking, Border, how exactly are we going to do this? Or, Border, aren't you just stealing a Michael Reeves video that came out like 3 years ago? And to answer your question, we're going to be using this thing known as a liquid level sensor. If you don't know what a liquid level sensor is, it's essentially the sensor that detects the liquid of levels. Essentially, all we have to do is go ahead and put the liquid level sensor into our cup, and it will go ahead and give us a reading based on how far down the liquid level sensor reaches. And we'll go ahead and change it depending on essentially how deep it goes into the water. And then we can go ahead and take that signal. Where did my gun go? We can then go ahead, I'm gonna unload this. We can then go ahead and take that signal and determine if we don't drink enough water every hour, it'll go ahead and pull the trigger of the airsoft gun. Now you may also be thinking, Border, this sounds extremely complicated. How on earth are you actually gonna go about doing this? Or, Border, do you not have like any sense of self-preservation? Well, we're going to do this by essentially taking our sensor and connecting it to an Arduino. This Arduino is going to have some code on it that is so goddamn boring I want to die. This code will allow us to parse in the data sent in through the liquid level sensor and determine how much liquid we have drank over the past hour. If the amount drank is under a certain threshold, say 8 fluid ounces, it will then trigger the servo motor that has a piece of string attached to it to start spinning. The other end of the string will then be wrapped around the trigger of into my face hole, causing me immense pain for not drinking enough water. So there is like a little like small problem with doing it this way, and it's that I'm, how do you put it, dumb as shit. It turns out that in order for the liquid level sensor to like, you know, work and shit, it needs to like stand upright and like it can't like flop over the bottle, which makes sense and took an embarrassing amount of time for me to figure out, despite it being on the webpage I bought it from. And normally if you were like, you know, professional and shit, you would like 3D print a mount for on top of the water bottle that you could like hatch the liquid level sensor into, and like it would hold it there perfectly. I can't do that because I don't have a 3D printer. I'm poor as shit and those things cost upwards of like $100 and I have too many V-Bucks to buy. So I'm gonna have to come up with a little bit of a solution to that. I don't entirely know what that solution is going to be, but I have an idea. This was my idea. It's a little hard to see, because it's shit, but this is an old tripod I had that I taped to my water bottle. Because I'm a goddamn genius. Go ahead and tape, shit, we gotta go ahead and tape this onto here. Gotta wrap it up like you would a cross, hell yeah. Oh shit, oh fuck, the tape folded in on itself. And just as easy as that, you tie your liquid level sensor onto here. And because these are tripod legs, they rotate like a little bit, so you can get it like real lined up good. And then you put the liquid level sensor into your water bottle. And then, uh-oh, it's not reaching down to the bottom. It's a fucking tripod, bitch. You go ahead and unclamp it and you adjust it. This is it pains me to say it, but this is the smartest goddamn thing I've ever done on this channel. Like, look at this shit. And then when you're done, you just go ahead and pull it up, and then you move it off to the side. It's fucking gigabrain, and I hate it as much as you do. I gotta reach over the candles to get my Arduino. Oh, hold up the hair. Oh, I look deranged. Why am I sweating from this? What the fuck? You take your fucking Arduino here, right? You go ahead and you just there are these like little holes up here that perfectly enough fit zip ties through them. And oh, why am I out of breath from this? This is so dumb. And then boom, look at that shit. You got a water bottle that looks like a fucking bomb. Why am I out of breath from this bit? What the fuck? I need to go to the goddamn gym, dude. Holy shit. It has been several months, everything has gone to shit, mainly because I ran out of Adderall, but we are back and we are ready to test this shit out. I got a gun over... We've got the airsoft gun that I've went ahead and I've taped the servo motor to. It looks jank, but weirdly enough, it works perfectly because it goes ahead and it balances itself now, which works weirdly well. I then went ahead and I wrote a little bit of code over here. It's not much and is pretty small, but just like my granddad told me, it's about how you use it. All it really does is wait for our input here, and then it writes the Arduino to start a timer, to essentially start a timer. Fucking. So if I go ahead and run the code and give it the command to start, after a couple seconds, if I don't drink enough water, it'll go ahead and pull the trigger. Possibly. Did it break? Oh shit. Oh fuck it, there we go. See, it pulled the trigger there. It pulled the trigger. You see it? You saw that? And then normally if it was like, you know, loaded and cocked back, it would have shot me there. But I actually had some wherewithal this time, so that did not happen. So yeah, I guess all that's left to do is to try it out. It's loaded now. God, that is way scarier than it should be. Right now I have it set so I have to drink about 10 milliliters of water in 10 seconds, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I have a small mouth. I have a sucking deficiency. Sorry for all the people that were looking forward to that. Jesus fucking Christ. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh my God. Oh, it hit me in the shoulder. Holy shit, that hurt. I drank too much water. How did I not get that? I felt like I drank so much water. What the fuck? Fuck it. Oh my God, that hurt. Holy shit. Oh, I'm dying. Oh my God. It hit me in the shoulder. God damn it. That hurts. Let's try it again. I forgot to cock it back. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, God fucking damn it. How am I not doing this? I feel like I'm drinking so much. Just in those 3, I've already downed like half of this shit. And this is like a 64 fluid ounce thing. How have I not gotten this yet? What the fuck? So it turns out the reason it kept shooting me, regardless of how much I drank, was because I'm a fucking idiot. All the sensor really gives back is how high up the liquid reaches up the sensor. So it doesn't actually give you back the volume of the amount of liquid in the container. So you have to do like a little bit of math to do that. But it turns out I'm a fucking idiot. For whatever reason, my dyslexic ass thought that 2000 was equal to like 20 in terms of like, you know, the volume. So in actuality, instead of having to drink around 10 milliliters, I was having to drink near around, what is that, 200 milliliters in 10 seconds? I'm a fucking idiot. It should be fixed now. I really hope this doesn't shoot me. Fucking goddamn it. What's wrong with you? Why are you still shooting? I'm drinking so much water. I'm getting the water burps. Oh my God. I've tested this so many times. The clip has run out of airsoft. What? I don't even know. What are those shits called? Oh no. Oh God damn it. Oh my fucking God, I'm an idiot. I was setting down my water bottle. I accidentally hit my Arduino off the side of the counter and now it fucking... Oh, now the little fucking casing for it is coming off. God damn it. Okay, please like actually work this time. Oh my god, I did it! Holy shit, it didn't go off. Oh my god, it didn't go off. Oh my god, I've literally... Oh my god. Literally in the past, like, 10 minutes, I've drank this entire bottle of water. Oh my god, I'm gonna go throw up. Oh, I'm actually gonna throw up. Holy shit. It worked absolutely flawlessly with 0 flaws whatsoever. But like, in all seriousness, it did work pretty well once I got all like the kinks and bugs figured out, despite how much of a fucking bomb it looks like. I was actually gonna do a little bit of a bit where I like take the water bottle onto an airplane and then get murdered by TSA, but I've seen that a lot of Boeing employees have been doing that joke already, so like, you know, I figured I didn't want to rip their shit, like god. Either way, all jokes aside, all of this has not been for nothing. I have been using the water bottle for the past few months now. All that time that I haven't been uploading, yeah, I've actually been doing research. That's right, bitches. I've been doing studies to see if this water bottle has been improving the quality of my piss. Remember when I showed a cup of my piss at the beginning of the video? Well, let me tell you now, this is what my piss looks like now. I might have a bladder infection, but that's besides the point. Why is it such a big cup? Oh, and like the water bottle has proved for a great opportunity to do from other dumb shit with it, like connecting it to my Twitch chat. I'm turning on the redeem, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking nervous when it's pointed directly at my neck. Oh, okay, hey, oh my god. Oh, this is such a bad idea. This was such a bad fucking idea. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Fuck, god damn it.
Drink water now or else.
Oh my god. Fucking god damn it. I'm sorry, I burped all over the place. I'm so sorry.
Drink water now or else.
Kill me. I accidentally breathed in the water, and now there's water in my lungs. Okay, I'm gonna end stream. My fucking brain hurts so much, man. Hey, congrats to making it to the end of the video. I'm fucking proud of you, champ. Sorry uploads have been like really inconsistent the last few months. It's been like 6 months since I've uploaded last. I've been going through a lot of like personal shit lately. Namely the new Minecraft update is coming out in like 3 days. So, you know, I gotta prepare for that. Either way, expect some more consistent uploads from here on out. I have some really cool shit lined out. So, you know, be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that, and be sure to subscribe if you're not interested in that. I don't care. There's a dictatorship on this channel. You have to subscribe no matter what now. Oh, like also check out the Discord and shit. I talk like way more on there about like what I'm doing and shit, and like when videos are going to be uploaded. So like, you know, if you really want to know and really want to make sure that I'm actually like, you know, doing my job, you should join that too. The link will be in the description. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. I still can't fucking do outros. It's crazy, man.
Twice up and down my telescope, I can see you wait for me. Oh no, I'll never do what you want me to. Oh, write it down with a pen whenever you get a chance. Put it on my desk and I'll take a look.